Yo, what's up, y'all? What's going on, guys? What's going on out there? How's everybody feeling? A little bit of red. I know we're early today, guys. We're early today. Doing a little bit of an earlier stream. I got some things to do a little bit later, so yeah, got to do the stream now. Looks like there's not many people here, so this stream's probably not going to be a very long one unless more people start to come in. That's what she said. All right, so let's see what's going on, guys. Let's see what's going on in the charts. See what's going on in the crypto world. All right, so looking across the bubbles, guys, people keep asking me, is Swift a good entry point right now? My answer is yes. Swift is a phenomenal entry point right now. It's down 14.7% on the day, guys. Not bad, right? If you believe in how high it's going to go, then yeah, 3 cents one is definitely a good entry point or a good DCA opportunity. What else do we have across the board? AIOZ, another fantastic one. Beam, a lot of stuff down right now. Well, a lot of stuff down right now. Yeah, no crap. But I mean, what I'm trying to say is there's a lot of stuff that actually has really good entry points right now, right? Really good entry points, guys. Veracity still below a penny. Wow. Fetch AI. There's some good stuff, guys. There's some good stuff out there for you. Arbitrum's looking juicy. Everything's looking juicy, man. Everything's looking juicy, guys. Flare, 2 cents. I was hoping Flare was below 2 cents. Wouldn't mind scooping some more of that up, but I digress, right? All right, let's look at the charts a little bit before I get into the chat. Give the chat an opportunity to fill up a little bit. Let's have a look at the daily close. Well, very bullish, guys. We closed inside of our bull pennant again on XCN, so very nice here. Very nice. We had a good close right around 3 cents 09. Nice close on nice close on XCN, guys. Very bullish there. Things are looking good. Over to Swift. Not the best, but not the best. We're outside of our bull pennant right now. We closed inside of there, but the next candle started kind of half and half. So we'll see where it goes. We closed at 3 cents 16. Not bad. Not bad, not good, right? Just kind of neutral. Get back up inside of here. That's what she said. JASMY. I know everybody wants to know what's going on with JASMY. What's JASMY's chart look like? Man, JASMY's chart looks so much like the last breakout, man. So much like the last breakout. Look at this. We had our close inside of the this bull flag still, guys. Look, if you have any question about this structure here, man, look at this. Look at that. Identical breakout, guys. Look at that breakout. This is what's coming. This is what's coming. This massive break to the upside in the very near future, guys, right? We ping-ponged inside of this one from June 1st roughly until November 6th. So June, July, August, September, October. 5 months we ping-ponged inside of here. 5 months. Inside of this new one, what are we at right now? December, January. So we've only been inside of this one for a little over 2 months. A little over 2 months, guys, right? Look at this one. This one was painful. This was 5 months. This one won't be as long because this was through the summer, and the summer is always sideways and boring. This time we don't have the summer to deal with. So this one should break out pretty violently, far sooner. So, and good old Bitcoin. Oh, look, we actually did close above support on Bitcoin. Check this out, guys. Look at this. Bearish candle, bullish engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle. Now we're starting another green one. Oh, that's classic right there. Look at that. We're just kind of Freddy Cougar sweatering our way sideways here. All right, let's get into the chat a little bit, see what everybody's doing. Callum, what's up, man? Caleb, good to see you, my guy. Good to see you. William, what's up, my guy? Good to see you. Good to see you. Liquidity's in the house. Appreciate you too, man. Paul, how you doing, man? How you doing, my friend? Liquidity this week was uncertain anyway because of the economic data. So potential end of the week pump and play. Trump already going to speak with Chinese president. Yeah, I just don't know which day he's speaking with the Chinese president, right? That should be interesting. I think we'll come to the same conclusion that we did with Canada and Mexico, though, right? Tariffs will be put on hold, yada, 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 some sort of agreement, bada boom, bada bang, bada boom, right? Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. I think we have a jobs report on Thursday as well. So if that is bullish, we could see a pretty good run this week still, guys, right? I know it looks bad now, but we could see a bullish run this week. The potential is there. DCA today, me too. Abe, salute. What's going on, my guy? Element Rage, what's up? Rob Father in the house. That's right, my guy. That's right. Chilling, killing like a villain. There she is, Gamma Goddess. Robin Crypto fam, let's continue to stay calm, DCA, and get this money. Exactly. Bruno, what's up, my guy? Good to see you. Chappie, I don't understand how CoinMarketCap can say that to buy XCN on Binance because they're preparing to list it because CoinMarketCap is owned by Binance, right? So they're getting ready to list it. That's the implication. Ryan, good evening, everyone. For me, that actually implies that it's probably going to be sometime this week. It's going to be soon, right? Build those bags. Exactly. Build those bags. I finished 2 of my bags. I got 2 bags topped off way higher. I doubled over these last couple days. I had a goal for certain bags, and I had reached it. But then after these last couple days, I ended up going back in and doubling the size of those bags. So, man, this is going to be a fantastic altcoin season. Divine Vibes. Bought a large bag of one of your unspoken gems today. Nice. That's what I like to hear, man. That's what I like to hear. Latino Hustler, good evening, Rob Father in chat. Thanks to XCN. I decided to stay an extra 10 more days in Colombia. There you go. Culture, food, booze, women. I dig it. I'm living living like a true degen. There you go, my guy. There you go, man. Alex, what's up, buddy? Looking at the chart for JASMY, every time there is a significant pump, there's a downtrend for months. This next pump, should we sell? And no, my friend, you should not. I just showed you the JASMY chart, right? I just showed you the JASMY chart. Look at this structure, okay? This is a bull flag. This is a very, very bullish structure. I just showed you guys this. Look at this breakout. Look, we have the exact same structure here. We broke out of this massively. You know what's going to happen, Alex? You're going to sell because it pumped up like here, and then it's going to break up, and it's going to do another almost 300% move like it did here, and you're going to be sitting there going, what the hell did I just do? That's what's going to happen, man. Volks, what's up? Lord, hope these prices stay here till income tax. maybe, man, maybe. As long as they're down here, I'm going to continue to dollar cost average, though. I'm going to keep stuff in my bags while I have these opportunities because when they're gone, guys, right? So you either get in where you fit in or you miss the boat. And listen, I know there's people out there who are a little bit frustrated because they don't have any dry powder right now, but this is something that you can use as a teaching tool, okay? And I'm going to give you a little bit of a tip here. It's not financial advice, but it's a good idea, all right? Whenever you have dry powder to put into the market, what you should be doing is taking 15% of that, whatever it is, and putting it in stablecoin and leaving it there, right? And if you do that every single time you have dry powder to put in the market, you're going to end up building a substantial size of dry powder on the side. And then you can take full advantage of days like today and days like the day before yesterday, right? So maybe make that part of your routine now. You got $100 to throw in the market, put 15 in stablecoin and leave it there, right? Some dry powder. It doesn't sound like much right now, but over time, that 15% every time adds up. And next thing you know, you've got like a few hundred, a few G bars to drop in, a little bit of groceries to sprinkle in there on, on the dips. So, what do we got, guys? As always, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow, costs you absolutely nothing. And yeah, like I always say, guys, I'll love you forever, right? And you know you want to be loved forever. You know it. Chris, good evening, guys and gals. Hope everyone's doing amazing. Oh, living the dream, brother. Living the dream, man. Danny's in the house. What's going on, my guy? Lily, what's up, dear? Good to see you. Hold the line, and then tomorrow we will reap the rewards. Yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely. We good. Oh, we good, man. We are good. XCN doing magic today. Yes. We up in here. Carlos, buy the dip. Buy the dip of the dip of the dip. Interesting top 10. Can't answer that question. Rob wouldn't want. Yeah. No gem talk in the live streams on YouTube. Gem talk is on the Patreon, right? So yeah. Speaking of which, guys, we will be live this evening over on the Patreon. We're going to be discussing which bags I finished topping off and which gems I will be starting to fill bags up on. So make sure you get over there, guys. Don't miss out on these plays. I don't understand what ETH's deal is. It's being stubborn. As I always tell you, altcoin requests go in the goals tab at the top of the chat. Rob, I bought JASMY before it dropped at 3 cents 221. Do you think this will remain a loss? No, of course it's not going to remain a loss. Guys, listen. I sometimes I get asked the question, do you think this project's going to pump again? Guys, everything is going to pump again. Everything, right? It's just a simple matter of when. That's it, right? When an altcoin season hits, you could literally throw a dart at a wall and hit an altcoin that's going to pump. Okay, FTT. If you don't know what FTT token is the exchange token for FTX, the bankrupt exchange that went under that is not even in operation anymore. That token still pumps. Okay? Keep that in mind. The future is now. Good morning, all. Jets in the house. What's up, man? Super excited for XCN this month with adding AI RWA made with USA possible. Yes, portfolio. Oh, man. Yes, World Liberty Financial portfolio. Absolutely, man. A lot going on. Imagine XCN being the number one token in multiple narratives. Whew. It's possible, man. It's possible the way it's going right now, right? We're seeing more and more content creators talk about it. They're coming out of the woodwork, man. They're coming out of the woodwork. And hey, I'll take it. I'll take it all day long, right? Alex, good evening, bro, family. You know how Rob, how diversified do you think us newbies should be? 5 altcoins, 5 to 10 or more? It depends on how much money you have in the market, but most new people probably shouldn't have more than 4 or 5, to be honest with you, because you probably have a smaller portfolio. And if you're only putting a couple $100 into each project, maybe actually only 1 or 2, right? Don't spread yourself too thin. $3,000 into 38K. XCN, ride the wave, baby. Absolutely. Will Swift move up anytime soon? I believe so. Green tea, early live stream. Let's go. Who else went shopping today? I did. Kush Bush, what's going on, man? Bought more. Nice, good. Bully run. You don't talk much about XRP, but my tinfoil hat theory, while everybody focuses on BTC, They may acquire XRP to pay off debt. I don't talk much about XRP because usually when I do, people don't watch, right? Most of my audience doesn't seem to care about XRP content. I do. I enjoy XRP. I held XRP for 7 years. You guys know that about me, but yeah, I mean, I followed the entire court case. I know a lot about what's going on with XRP. I just don't talk about it because, again, people tend to tune out when I do, right? I do videos on XRP. Nobody watches them, right? I guess the market's just too saturated with XRP content creators. And most of them, the sad thing is most of them don't even know what they're talking about, right? But, yeah, I do think, obviously, XRP is going to be one of the cryptos that's probably going to end up, obviously, with a spot ETF. I mean, I think that we're all in kind of universal agreement about that, right? But I could see XRP being in some sort of a strategic reserve as well, along with a bunch of other American-based cryptocurrencies. For sure, I could see that. Yeah. When is XCN going to be listed on Binance? I have a suspicion it's going to be soon, man. It's going to be soon, I think. What now? What did Trump say this time? Honestly, man, it's just that he still has to meet with or talk with China, because China went and threatened to put the same tariffs on the States, apparently for oil, I want to say for oil. On the United States. So same thing that happened with Canada and Mexico. So they're going to talk, and it'll be swept under the rug or water under the bridge or whatever the hell you want to call it, right? What I would say, guys, is like everything you look at right now, RSIs are getting real oversold, guys, which means sellers are becoming very, very exhausted, right? DCA also on one old and new gem. There you go, man. There you go. I'm about to get rid of my XRP and deep my gem position. There you go. Perfect. If you're in profits, no one ever went broke doing that. Was able to DCA into my XCN goal today. Now I can focus more on Swift, JASMY, and the Patreon gems. Let's go. Nice. That's what I like to hear, man. Yes, you guys, you got to get in on these gems over on the Patreon, because I'm telling you right now, guys, listen, this is exactly what's going to play out. The same thing that's playing out right now with XCN and Swift is going to play out with these gems that we're buying right now over on the Patreon, okay? And that is that when we were buying XCN and Swift, nobody was talking about it. Nobody. Not on X, not on YouTube, nowhere, right? We accumulated millions of tokens. And listen, I'm still up despite the fact that Swift, we'll use Swift as an example. Despite the fact that Swift is down right now, because of where we were buying it on the Patreon, I'm still up over 400% on my entry point right now. I haven't sold any, right? Because I know it's going higher. That's why you want to get in early on these gems, guys, right? Why would you be so in a couple of months, the gems we're buying on the Patreon right now, in a couple of months, all the YouTubers are going to be talking about them, claiming to their followers that it's early, right? Get in early. I'm the first one to bring it to you. That's what's going to happen. Same thing that's happening with Onyx Coin right now. Meanwhile, all of us over on the Patreon, we're accumulating it months beforehand, and you're pumping our bags 2,000-3,000%, right? So, I mean, you can wait if you want to and start buying these gems in a couple of months that we're buying now, but you're just going to be our exit liquidity, right? So I would say you should get over there, get in early on these plays before they pump 2,000 or 3,000%, not after it's gone viral and it's trending on X and stuff. Then you're going to go buy it. What kind of plan is that? You're buying the top, buy the bottom, guys. It's so much funner when you buy the bottom. Moto. Oh, dang, just noticed your live. Yeah, we went early tonight. We're going early tonight. FTX payouts start their settlements. Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, the payments start on the 18th of this month. Yep. So that's what, $16 billion coming back into the space in stable coin, not in Bitcoin, it's stable coin, right? Beebs, what's going on, my guy? Good to see you. Gary, what's the payout time to get percentage of your RLUSD? I have no idea, man. I have no idea. I added more KASPA. I'm under. Nice, my guy. There you go, man. There you go. Overcome. What's up, man? Bought the dip. Let's go. Go Times in the house. Taylor's in the house. Why are there KASPA maxis? Yeah, you know what, man? Listen, I love KASPA. I do. It's one of my top holdings, okay? I think it's going to make me a ton of money in this. It already has made me a ton of money in this cycle, but I think it's going to make me significantly more. But some of these KASPA content creators, man, holy crap, right? Garbage, just garbage what they're putting out there, you know? Talking about how it's going to pass Ethereum and it's going to pass Bitcoin and all this garbage. It's all fluff, guys. It's all fluff. Who cares? Who cares? BPS. Who cares? Right? Get your money and get out. Who cares? Pass Ethereum, pass Bitcoin. Who cares? Fluff, right? So it's just stuff to pump you up emotionally, right? KASPA is a great project. I'm holding a bunch of it, guys, but as soon as it hits my price target, gone, right? Flushed it out. So, Rod, what's going on, my guy? Good to see you. Good to see you. Tony, XCN will be a top 50 soon without Binance. Yeah, I agree. But can you explain why it shows a contract without being listed on? Like I already explained that. I think it's pretty obvious that CoinMarketCap is owned by Binance, right? So very clearly they updated CoinMarketCap with the address for Binance because they're going to list it on Binance, right? I mean, there is no other explanation, either logical or illogical, right? The only other explanation for it is that somebody made a mistake and accidentally put a Binance address for Onyx Coin. And what are the chances of that happening, right? So Gamma Goddess, Onyx.org monthly update, January 2025 has been a month of growth, development, and strengthening community engagement. With continued momentum, we're looking forward to an even bigger February. Absolutely. Let's freaking go. Anthony, hey, Rob, can we do that one-on-one? We were going to have, yes, we will. I'll get you in there, my friend. DM me on the Patreon. Shoot me a DM over there. If you were given $3,000 to invest in either XCN, Swift, or JASMY, right now I'd probably go XCN because I believe that a Binance listing is imminent. That's just me, what I would do. And then I would ride that listing news, and then I would take my profits, and then I would roll it into JASMY because I believe JASMY is close to a breakout as well. That's how I would handle it. But that's just me, right? Love the XRP. Do it, Rob. You caught me off guard being so early, but I like it. There you go, Jake the Snake. What are your thoughts on crypto, and when will we start moving up again, brother? I think we're starting to get into a clearing now, if I'm being honest with you. I mean, we're just waiting for Trump to talk with China. Then we're gonna have notification that those tariffs are gone. We're in the clear with that. We had a lot of very bullish news come out today from the crypto czar, crypto and AI czar from the White House. There was a lot of good stuff there, guys. They reiterated in that press conference that creating a strategic Bitcoin reserve was in fact a top priority, and it was the first thing they're looking at, right? So very, very soon, very, very soon. I think a lot of people are going to get caught off guard. And also on top of that, as soon as this tariff nonsense is dealt with, which it's almost over, one of the agreements is going to be to weaken the US dollar. And the best way to do that is to start quantitative easing in the US. And what is that? That's printing money. As soon as the market starts getting even a sniff that they're going to start printing money, markets are going to go boom to the upside like that. ACH, I think, is a good project. I do not hold any of it, but if I'm being honest, if it continues to pull back, I'm hoping it gets a bigger correction, because if it continues to pull back, I might get into it. But right now, it's pumped too hard recently for me to be interested in getting into it as of right now. So may God bless you and your family and life in crypto, brother. You too, my friend. You too. Absolutely. Thank you so much. Ramon. Hey, Rob. Love to look to your live stream. Here is in the evening on my vacation. Nice. Nice. There you go, man. I wish I was on vacation. I'm invested in XCN, and after the pump, I plan to either buy Swift or JASMY. Which would you say? I mean, you can't go wrong either way, if I'm being honest. I believe that Swift and JASMY are both in very bullish structures right now, and both are due for breakouts to the upside in the very, very near future here. Rob, I heard someone mention that Jesse believes there's a chance the market could be pushed out a little. Yeah, I talked about that on the Patreon. We talked about that the other day. I think yesterday we were live. Was it yesterday's live stream on the Patreon? I talked about it. I talk with Jesse often, and from what I'm gathering, it's more of he's not telling you that's what's going to happen. He's saying that, he's just exploring things. That's what Jesse likes to do. He likes to do research. He likes to, build out scenarios. So yeah, he's not saying that that's what's going to happen. He's just putting information out there for people to consider. That's all it is. Surviving and thriving. I joined the Patreon. Welcome to the family. Welcome. We will be live over on the Patreon a little bit later tonight, so make sure you're there for that. Blaine, would you sell all of your ADA and disperse into Swiftcoin, JASMY, and XN? As long as you're up on your ADA, I probably would. XPR, yeah, good project. Magic Power, what's going on? Yeah, I like KASPA, but I'm in it for the money. Exactly, right? Jobs report is Friday. Yes, thank you. That will help determine the future rate cuts. Yes, need a positive jobs report. Exactly, Michael. Thank you. I thought it was Thursday, but Friday, perfect. Matt, holding strong, man. Physically fit. When people emotionally sell, it is an aspect of putting more money in than you should. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. They know they're gambling. Yep, I agree with you. 100%, right? You're over-leveraged. Gomer, price target of XCN for this month. 7 to 10 cents. Crypto Canvas just dropped a video about XCN being connected to Block V. Nice. Yeah, he covers Block V a lot, I think, right? He likes Block V. So if anyone would know if there's a connection there, it would definitely be him. Magic Power, what's going on? Big Bato, what's up, my guy? At the end of the day, don't worry. Your bags, I promise that you will, that they will divorce you in the, yes, exactly. 10 cents. I'm walking away into this nice. There you go. XPR or XCN right now. I think that XCN is, guys, XCN, I think it's fairly obvious that XCN is going to have a pump before most things. I think that this Binance listing is like the worst kept secret in crypto. I've said that before. So I think it's kind of painfully obvious almost that would be the smart call at this point. That's just my opinion. So for what it's worth. You got to shoot me a DM over on the Patreon, my friend. Caesar made a new video on KASPA. Yeah, I saw it, but I have not watched it. I have not watched it. I know that he's been, in his opinion, KASPA's not going anywhere to the upside anytime soon. I know that's what he's seeing in the charts right now. So I haven't watched his latest one on KASPA though. I think I watched his Swift and his XCN videos and maybe Bitcoin last night. Yes, I do. You think it's safe to rob Swift Peter to pay XCN Paul? No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that, Matt. Brother Rob got a small bag of XCN. What percentage would you? 100%. I'd stake 100% of it because there's no lockup period. You can unstake it whenever you want, right? And it's instant. So, yeah, I would stake 100% of it if it's me. Can't find the gems on Coinbase. You need Coinbase Wallet. Download the Coinbase Wallet app, and you'll be able to get most of them on there. David, what's up, my guy? Robert, Brother Rob, got a small bag of XCN. What percentage of the bag would you stake? Oh, I already answered that one, 100%. Gamma Goddess, thoughts on AMP? I'm neutral on AMP. I think AMP had a good bull run last time around. I think its time has passed. I think it'll have a decent run, though. 2 days in a row, you skipped over XPR. You think it's a good project. I'm not skipping over it. I think it's okay. I think it's a decent project. I'm not skipping over it. I don't do TA and stuff like that or dives into projects if you don't participate in the goals tab at the top. I say it all the time. People put altcoin requests in, and there's a little tab at the top that says goals, and that's where you put your altcoin requests. Otherwise, you'll basically just get my basic thoughts on it, right? Bullish, bearish, whatever, right? Brett, same my thoughts. Noted. Thank you. No problem. David with a Y. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, I mean, just kind of in a holding pattern. I'm probably going to do some more DCAing today, to be honest with you. I think I might scoop some more up. It's the opportunity. I don't think we're going to have very many more opportunities like this, if I'm being honest. I know that it feels like that's kind of the situation all the time, guys, but I mean, you know, yeah. Brett confirmed. Brother, I understand. Yes. Yeah, Brett, if you think so, man. But listen, Brett, listen. Like I said, you can think what you want, but you can put altcoin requests in the chat. I won't look at them unless you participate like everybody else does in the goals, right? Any other theory that you have, I mean, have at her, right? Have at her. Ty, what's going on, man? Is it safe to stake XCN? If you're staking it through the protocol, then yeah. But what I would say is go over to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap to make sure you're getting a reliable link for the XCN protocol, right? So yeah. And now there we go. Bye, Brett. A message sent. Sorry for the poor grammar. May I ask how we get a one-on-one? Yeah, you got to DM me over on the Patreon, my friend. Shoot me a DM over there. Do not doubt Rob. He knows what he's doing. Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. I'm up 400% on XLM. Would you roll that over to XCN or a gem? Yeah, I would. Yes, I would. Absolutely, I would. Absolutely, I would. John, hello, new subscriber. I joined the Patreon today. How do I find you over there? Any thoughts on XDC? I like XDC. I think it's a good project. I hold a tiny bag of it, but there's better projects out there, though. Stuff like XCN would be better, in my opinion. But it's a decent project, though, and it will do good. As for the Patreon, welcome to the family, my friend. you go to community and you can find me. You can DM me over there. And if you don't know if you can't figure it out, just ask in the general chat over on the Patreon, and somebody will help guide you over there. It's pretty simple. How long did you bodybuild again? Do you still hit the weights? Yeah, I was 25 years. 25 years. Yes, I go to the gym every single day. So yeah. Do you think that Velo is the little brother of XRP for Asia? No. I think Swift is the little brother for XRP for Asia. It is pretty safe to stake XCN. I won't. Yeah, exactly. It's safe. It's safe to stake XCN, in my opinion, as long as you're staking it through the correct protocol and not getting some scam link or something like that, right? So yeah. So yeah. That's my thoughts on that. Anyway, guys. Well, wow. Time flies, right? Time flies, guys. All right, what else do we have? Johnny, welcome to the family, my friend. Welcome to the family, my guy. Next pump, my next target for JASMY is about 7 to 8 cents. So, have you looked at SPA? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. All right, guys. Listen, so it's kind of a quick one tonight. I got some things I got to take care of. I will be live over on the Patreon tonight, guys. We're going to be talking about the new gem that we pointed out. So get over there. You want to get in on these plays early, guys, before they pump thousands of percentages. Don't be chasing them once they've already gone viral and all the big content creators are talking about them. You've already missed the boat, right? So get over there, guys. I'll see you on the Patreon. We will be live tonight over there. And yeah, you can also schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. Have yourselves a great night. See you live on the Patreon in a bit.